In this video, we are going to animate horse trot animation. Please see the video. We have our horse character ready as we had seen in the previous video of horse walk. We start with the first drawing. In a trot, alternate legs make contact with the ground at the same time. In this drawing, the front left and the rear right leg are flat on the ground, while the front right and the rear left are lifted up. We now add the blank keyframe on frame 2 using F7 and turn on the onion skin. We start drawing the same pose with the legs flipped. This pose will have front right and rear left on the ground and the front left and rear right up in the air. Please see the video and follow. We then draw the up position of the trot where all the legs will be up in the air. The whole body will lift up in this pose. We add a blank keyframe on frame 5 and copy the up position with the legs flipped. We then draw the in-between drawings for the up pose and the extreme pose. Please follow the video carefully. After that, we repeat the same pose with the legs flipped. We draw another in-between drawing for the first frame, which is the extreme, and the second frame, which is the up position. We do the same for the next extreme and up pose with the legs flipped. We have now completed the horse trot. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.